Hi there. So, today we will be learning how to upload your media and export your designs in Canva. For this, you need to click on the upload category and then click on upload media. Now you can search for the media which you want to upload in Canva. Select the media of your choice and open it. This depicts that your media is being uploaded. Similarly, you can upload your videos and audios in Canva too. You can also use the feature of drag and drop to upload your media here, like this. I am opening my downloads folder and will drag a photograph and will drop in Canva. As it is a video, it is uploading in video section. Now I will be applying the same for a photograph. To export your design, click on the download button, and these are the formats in which you can download your design. For printing purposes, you need to get your design downloaded in a PDF print format. These are some of the features for Canva Pro users. If you just click on the download button and it contains multiple pages, you will get a zip file. So, to download a particular page, you need to select that page only and click on the download button. And this way, your design will be downloaded. To zoom in and zoom out, you can either slide this bar or choose the size percentage manually. This way you can see your designs in a grid view and you can add and delete page like this. If you found this video useful, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.